Crooked Joe Biden is very concerned. He hoped he could find a Democrat judge to do his dirty work and illegally remove my name from the ballot. But the four biggest cases to strike us from the ballot have officially been defeated. The verdict is in. Joe Biden will be forced to face Donald J. Trump in the 2024 election, the most important election in the history of our country. And judging by the polls, we're going to beat him in a very massive landslide. We have no choice, because if we don't beat him, we're going to have a country that is a total disaster where it's heading right now. It's already there. So now let's show Crooked Joe just how badly he's going to lose by crushing our fundraising goal for the month of November. These fake political cases brought against me could have been filed many years ago, but these crooked and biased prosecutors working closely with my political opponents in Washington, D.C., Crooked Joe Biden and his group waited and waited and waited, and then filed them right in the middle of my campaign for president. They could have filed them years ago. Why do you think that Fonnie and Alvin and Letitia and, of course, the deranged one, Jack Smith, took so long and very publicly, they leaked everything, started their work so late? They could have started it years ago. It's called election interference and prosecutorial misconduct. And it's all done because they want to win an election, even if they have to use illegal means to do it. Our country is under the highest level of threat ever. And yet all the DOJ and FBI want to do is go after Donald Trump. Let's go after him and Donald Trump's family. It's so sad. Our country's in bad shape. We're corrupt. We're not run properly. Our borders are open. Our elections are rigged. And what do they want to do? Let's go after Donald Trump. You'll see crime like you've never seen it before, because all of these people coming in illegally from the southern border, they have bad intentions. So many of them have bad intentions. Got to watch our country. You don't have to worry about me. You don't have to worry about my family. Focus on violent crime, because there's a lot of it in this country, more than ever before. Thank you. Why doesn't the total implosion, he admitted on the stand that he lied, of the Attorney General of New York's state star witness end this witch hunt once and for all? It's a political witch hunt. That's all it is. This so-called witness, a star witness, admitted on the stand that he lied. He said right on the stand, I lied. It looked like Perry Mason at the end of the show. And that I never told him or anyone else to inflate the numbers on my financial statements. In fact, the numbers are very low or very conservative, the exact opposite of what this ridiculous rigged case or lawsuit is all about. The fraud is by the judge and the AG, not by me, because they put in numbers that they knew were way too low. They valued my assets at a tiny fraction of what they should be. As an example, Mar-a-Lago, they valued at $18 million. Mar-a-Lago at $18 million. And it could be 50 to 100 times that much. The judge created a fraud, and the AG created a fraud. They're the ones that should be prosecuted.